Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again at euro currency. So yesterday we talked about the possible pullback, and even have specified some levels to watch for. And actually this pullback has happened, but it brings no celebration right now because overall downside action looks relatively fast, which is not good for moments where we would like to take the long position. And despite that, we've got minor bounce from the predefined confidence support area, market right now stands around it. So in the current circumstances, I would wait for a couple of moments. First of all, on a daily chart, I would wait for forming of the bullish grabber. So it would be better to show you on dollar on the futures. So you can see that here market already is flirting with the MACD line. And potentially, if market will close slightly higher, we could get the bullish grabber. That will be at least something. Now we're back. It could justify or be in favor of the consideration of taking a long position. This is first moment. Second moment, on the euro currency, I prefer in the current circumstances to wait for a clear bullish reversal pattern. Because if you take a look at the fall time frame chart, the collapse recently was relatively fast and strong. So something of this kind, right? So when we talk about taking a long position or about retracement, we suggest that retracement should be gradual, not some miserable sell-off that we've got. And when you have this kind of action, it's psychologically not very comfortable to consider position that stands against this kind of action. So we would like to get some more confirmation, some more confidence with the decision making. Currently, at this moment, since market still stands around the confidence area, here is about butterfly we probably should forget, or better to say that 1.7 butterfly only has been completed. So market stands around the confidence, and as I said, even in the first touch we've got the pullback. But currently those moments that I already have mentioned, and the final one that actually market has broken down once again, the triangle consolidation, this is not good sign. Although, as we said, that will be our some kind of the last outpost for the bulls, the level of the last resort, if we could call it in this way, that splits actually and separates the bullish market from the potentially bearish market, or at least from the potentially deeper retracement on higher time frames. In fact, if market will break it down, here's you could recognize the shape, something of the reminds some kind of the hand shoulders or something of this sort. It's a bit choppy, but by its performance, it will be very close to the shape of the hand and shoulders. Another tricky moment that exists here, guys, is the level where stands the dollar index. So if you take a look at the dollar index, this is very strong support area on the dollar index, and it stands not only on the daily chart, but if you take a look at the very long-term charts, for instance 3-month, you could see here that this is really very important level for the dollar index, around 100 even 101 area. So previously it was resistance, now it's once again becoming support, and this is very strong area, and that's why the performance around this area, behavior of the market might be very volatile, it might be very choppy, because we're in market entering in this turbulence area of the strong support. It starts shaking and thrilling around. It's just feeling this strong pressure as from the buyers on the support, as from the sellers who intends to break this area. It's the area very long term, so here's might be some really big volatility around it. Just another tricky moment that stands around on the euro and dollar index. On the daily chart, you could see that this is the butterfly that also has been completed the same way as on the euro currency. The market here has formed some kind of the engulfing. Actually, it calls as a piercing in the cloud. but it's very similar pattern. So it also suggests possible upward continuation in dollar index. On the 10-year bonds, yields also are not dropping, despite that the rate has been cut. Market shows gradual slow but upward performance. Currently it still stands in the range of the previous session, but still this action stands to the upside. In all the circumstances, currently, if you have taken position, probably it stands somewhere around the break-even, or here is actually you was able to place stop to the break-even on this pullback. But speaking about the current taken on the new long position, I would wait a bit and see what will happen. So if market indeed will be able to stay around this confluence and start upward action outside of the triangle, well, in this case everything is okay, so we theoretically could consider another chances for taking the long position. But downside breakout here suggests that on the intraday charts we have to change the direction and be prepared for a deeper retracement. On the full time frame chart first, and probably on the daily chart it also might be deeper. So here's how situation stands right now.